खूप खूप आभार श्रद्धा माटेल मॅडम. आता यानंतर कुमारी आसिया जमादार शिवाजी विद्यापीठ कोल्हापूर यांना मी विनंती करतो आपला मनोगत व्यक्त करा.
A very good morning, honorable dignitaries, respected dyers, and all the studious audience in front of me. Today, on behalf of Commonwealth Parliamentary Association's Parliamentary Study Class, I, myself, Asiya Zabadar, student of Shivaji University, Kolhapur, Department of Political Science, stand in front of you to tell you what this CPA gave me. And while answering to this question, I would first tell you is that the basic aim of CPA of promoting knowledge in the aspects of constitutional, may it be economical, social, political, legislative, and the parliamentary democracy has been 1000% achieved by the CPA's parliamentary study class of Maharashtra state. Nextly, there is a drastic change in the perspective I had earlier and the perspective I have today. Along with that, there is also a change in the thought process of mine as well as every student present here. And this has all been possible because of CPA's parliamentary study class, which is organized by Maharashtra state. Every single lecture undertaken by every single honorable ministers, may it be leaders, has all been fruitful to every single student and also to the teachers. And this has increased the knowledge regarding the constitutional matters and political science. Now, the most important thing I'd like to tell you is that I have been selected as the best parliamentarian of the National Youth Parliament, which is conducted by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. So I had gone through the procedures and I had done mock parliaments also. So I know what actually happens in there. And I was the speaker working there. So I know how the speaker is acting and what is the responsibility given to them. But when I came here, I got an experience to watch it in real. And this is all has been possible because of this CPA's parliamentary study. Here, I request you all to please give a round of applause to the CPA's team of Maharashtra for giving us an opportunity to sit in the most authoritative room of Maharashtra, that is the Legislative Council. This is all has been possible because of the universities participated here and the efforts taken by the team. The very first day I visited here, I felt like I am myself an MLC or MLA or what. Because the MLCs and MLAs were all around us and the environment was so elegant and this was the most beautiful feeling I ever had. So all thanks to CPA for making us be present here and to guide us in all the single minute matters. Along with that, everyone doesn't have the destiny to reach in this room, and this is done by the team of CPA of Maharashtra. Thanks to CPA's parliamentary study of Maharashtra for every single thing you made us experience here and to make us more responsible towards the constitution. And you know what? Now I can assure here in this most authoritative room of Maharashtra, that is the Legislative Council, that every single student and every single teacher who is here, present here, and went through all these sessions is more responsible from now onwards. And he'll be telling the people all around that what you see in real or in the which is presented in front of you through television is not real, because the people here are more cooperative, and this is definitely going to help every single student here and also the people around the Maharashtra, and we will be frankly telling them that how beautiful this feeling is of being here and how beautifully you, all the MLCs and MLAs are living all around. Thank you so much.
थँक यू सो मच आसियाजी. 3 विद्यार्थी झालेत. आता विद्यार्थ्यांना पण संधी द्यायला पाहिजे नाही. कवयित्री बहिणाबाई चौधरी, उत्तर महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ जळगाव. कुमार सिद्धार्थ कडरे यांनी कृपया आपलं मनोगत